Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick but essential task, how to log out of CapCut. Now, you might be thinking, logging out is pretty simple, right? But sometimes these small daily actions make a big difference, especially if you're sharing a device, switching accounts, or just want a little extra privacy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to sign out of CapCut with complete confidence, and you'll understand why each step matters. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to open the CapCut app on your device. Just find the icon, tap it, and wait for the app to load up. If it takes a moment, don't worry. CapCut is loading all your edits and projects behind the scenes. Opening the app is the gateway to all your creative work, but it's also the starting point to managing your account settings. Think of it like walking into your studio. You need to be inside before you can tidy up or change anything. Once you're in CapCut, look towards the upper corner of your screen for your profile icon. Now, depending on your device and the type of account you have, your profile might appear as a little avatar, maybe even your own photo, or sometimes it's just a generic silhouette. If you're unfamiliar, it usually sits at the top right of the main screen. Clicking on your profile icon is important because it takes you directly into the hub for all your personal settings and account information. Imagine your account as the control room for your CapCut experience. Your username, saved projects, linked devices, all are managed from here. Give your profile icon a quick tap. A new menu or a panel will slide up. This is where CapCut collects all your core account options. Sometimes navigating menus like this can feel intimidating, but take a breath and scan for the Logout or Sign Out option. It's usually located at the bottom of the list, separated from the more frequently used features like editing your profile or checking notifications. CapCut places the Logout option here to make sure you don't accidentally sign out, so it's a little tucked away, but still easy to find once you know where to look. Go ahead and select Logout. Don't worry if you get a little nervous here. You won't lose any of your projects or settings. Logging out simply disconnects your account from your current device, so all your edits are still saved in the cloud, ready for you next time you sign in. The app may ask for confirmation with a friendly pop-up, just to double-check that you really want to log out. That's totally normal. It's just CapCut, making sure you aren't signing out by mistake, especially if you're working on something important. Once you confirm, CapCut will exit your current session, taking you back to the main login screen. That's it. You're now securely signed out, and you've protected your account from any unwanted access, especially if your device is shared. Logging out is a smart habit if you use public devices or work in a busy environment, just like closing the door behind you when you leave a room. So that wraps up our walkthrough of logging out of CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and if you've got any questions maybe about other CapCut features, drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.